Hello everyone, Nirav here and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the best SEO tools for 2024, both free and paid, that will help elevate your SEO game. Listen, SEO is the lifeblood of any successful website. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tools are crucial for optimizing your website and improving your search engine rankings. We're talking more traffic, more leads, and ultimately, more revenue for you. So if you're ready to unlock the power of SEO and skyrocket your website to the top of Google, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The SEO landscape is constantly changing. These tools help you adapt and win. Let's be real, we all love free stuff, especially when it delivers results. Google Analytics is your go-to for understanding your audience. This free tool from Google gives you a peek behind the search curtain. Keywords are everything in SEO, and Ubersuggest makes finding them a breeze. This handy browser extension provides instant SEO insights on any website. Want to know what your audience is searching for? Answer the public has the answers. Ready to take your SEO to the next level? These paid tools are game changers. Ahrefs is like the Swiss Army knife of SEO tools. It does it all. Crush your competition and dominate the search results with SEMrush. Building high-quality backlinks is crucial, and Moz Pro makes it manageable. SERPstat is perfect for uncovering hidden SEO opportunities and growing your traffic. Technical SEO issues can tank your rankings. Screaming Frog helps you find and fix them. Feeling overwhelmed? Let's break down how to choose the best tools for you. Your budget, goals, and experience level all play a role in your tool selection. You don't need every tool under the sun. Start with the essentials and grow from there. Ready to become an SEO tool ninja? These tips will help you get the most out of them. The world of SEO is constantly changing. Stay ahead of the curve with these resources. Connect with other SEO enthusiasts, share your knowledge, and get your questions answered. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tools and strategies. The data will guide you. Let's look at some real-life examples of how these SEO tools have helped businesses thrive. See how this online store boosted their organic traffic and sales using Ahrefs. Discover how this blog improved their domain authority and rankings with Moz Pro. Learn how this local business used SEMrush to outrank their competitors in local search. What does the future hold for SEO? Let's explore some emerging trends and predictions. Voice search is on the rise. Make sure your website is optimized for this growing trend. Google prioritizes mobile-friendly websites. Is yours up to par? AI and machine learning are transforming the SEO landscape. Stay ahead of the game. A positive user experience is crucial for both users and search engines. SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent with your efforts for long-term success. The best way to learn SEO is by doing, try new things, track your results, and iterate. Want to dive deeper into SEO? Check out these valuable resources to expand your knowledge. Now you have the tools and knowledge to conquer the search results in 2024. As we've seen, using the right SEO tools can make a huge difference in your website's performance and ranking. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned SEO pro, there's always something new to learn and new tools to explore. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite SEO tool or any questions you might have. I'm here to help you succeed in your SEO journey. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.